48伏16 SJKESS6 U DIY Box Assembly Tutorial. Step 1. Use the screws that come with our DIY box. Assemble the battery casing. Step 2. Use epoxy board to paste the battery shell. Step 3. Separate the batteries using epoxy sheets. Correct battery placement order. Step 4. Fix the PCB panel to the bracket. Screw fixation. Step 6. Use screws to fix the bracket to the battery box. Step 7. Connect the battery using busbars. Step 8. Reinforce the battery. Step 9. BMS connected to battery casing. Step 10. Connect to the BMS using cables. Step 11. Install positive and negative terminals. Step 12. Install RS485. Step 13. Install display screen. Step 14. Install circuit breakers. Step 15. Connect the power cord to the protection board. Step 16. Connect the positive and negative terminals to the PCB. Step 17. Put the cover on and tighten the screws around it.